Hello friends, I'm Shreya. In this video, I will show you how to make a very beautiful necklace. To make the necklace, we will use a canvas sheet, half-cut pearls, normal pearls, nylon thread, fabric glue, stone chain. Please watch the video till the end. I hope you will also like this necklace design. First, cut a canvas sheet into a round shape. I made this circle using a cold drink bottle cap, applying fabric glue well on the circle, then apply a half pearl and add a stone chain around it. With the help of a needle, I will place the stone chains very slowly. Place half pearls around the circle. Cut the two eye pins from the middle and cut them into 4 pieces. Attach the eye pins to the back of the circle with fabric glue. Then add a canvas sheet to the back of the circle. I will add a canvas sheet circle of the same size so that the eye pins are not visible. I will make another circle in the same way. We will make a chain using these 8 mm pearls. Total 40 pieces of pearls are used for this chain, and we will add to the two circles. Below that, we will use 8 mm pearls to make the chain. Total 48 pieces. To make the third number chain. For this, we will use 8 mm pearls, total 56 pieces. To make the upper chain, we will use 10 mm off-white pearls, total 18 pieces, and in this channel we will add a lock along the middle. For this beautiful necklace, we will make a matching earring. Now the circle we made for the necklace at the beginning of the video, using the same process, we will make 2 more to use as earrings. Friends, hope you like our video. Please like, comment and subscribe your jewelry channel DiyArtiePie. Thank you so much for watching our full video.